Hello to all my children. Welcome to DP Kids YouTube channel. So today, like always, we'll be making a creation using the Japanese art form of origami. So my little children, are you ready? So today we are going to make a duckling. So do you remember that story? 5 little ducks went swimming one day. Have you heard that nursery rhyme? So today we are going to make a duckling, maybe like that same duckling. Okay, now we'll need a big piece of paper, 15 centimeters into 15 centimeters as usual. Take half of it in the rectangular way for this head, for the duckling's head. So this means that whatever size paper we take, half of it will be the duckling's head. And the bigger part here is the body part of the duckling. Now let's make the body first because it's quite easy. Now fold the triangular paper so that the colored side is outside, and then we have to slowly bend or fold the lower part of it so that it comes out like this. And then this corner we have to fold it again inwards, right? So that we have 2 little flaps coming out from either side. And now turn it around. See, that's already the duckling's body. Quite easy, wasn't it? Now the head. So now fold this rectangular piece in such a way that you actually end up with a square like that. Okay, then take both the flaps and fold it up, not too much, just a little bit, and press it down. Then open up one flap. See, only one flap. Then you might have to try a bit, but put your finger inside that little flap and push it down. Watch carefully. Push it down, and then let's do the same thing on to the bottom flap. Okay, right. If you find it difficult, please ask for help. Your adults will like to help you at any time, you know that? So you have to do it on either side. Now can you see? You have to try to do it alone. If you can't at all, then you can ask for your parents' help. Now this top part, we are going to fold it again. Can you see how it is? Folding again and again, so that you are getting smaller, thinner, yet longer triangles. Fold it again so that you have more triangles. Okay. You might have to ask for help. So that's the mouth. And now let's shape the head. Okay, so now it's no longer a square or a shape like that. We are just folded in the little flaps on the sides. Now let's draw his eyes. Let's give him big round eyes. I think you would have learned how to draw eyes in our arts class. So use those skills here. Now he's saying quack quack because he has his mouth open, and maybe he saw you and he's happy. So he's saying quack quack. Now paste the head to the body like that, and see, that's a cute duckling who has gone out swimming, like I said earlier. Look at this duckling. Don't you think it's a sweet duckling? So don't forget to try this. I know it'll be hard at first, but then you have to try again and again so that you will get the practice. It doesn't have to be really good paper. You can start off with newspaper or any other paper around the house, and then when you're doing a creation, take a better paper. So if you make different sized ducks, you can make them the mother duck, the father duck, and the baby ducklings, and you can even practice with the rhyme. So continue to be with us on DP Kids. Subscribe to our channel, comment, like. Be with us continuously. See you, children.